Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from TSB to another bank. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the easy process and a straightforward guide on how to transfer money from your TSB bank account to another bank account. So first thing to do is to using the TSB mobile app banking to log into your TSB mobile app banking and enter your login credentials, which is your email and your password. Then from there navigate to payments, then tap on payment. Then after that select transfer option, which is to choose a new payee or pay someone new. Then after that enter your payee details, which is to input the recipient's name, sort code, and the account number. Then after that enter the amount, specify the amount you wish to transfer from your balance. Then check all details for accuracy and confirm the payment, and that's how to send money or transfer money from TSB to another bank account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.